Okay, good evening, everybody. Looks like everyone's on. You can go ahead, Emily.
Okay. Actually, let's start with this is Matthew's sequence diagram. He did it as a whole system sequence diagram.
I think it's pretty good, but I don't know if we were supposed to have it broken up in that specific part of it.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if we were supposed to. The one I did last year wasn't the application system.
What do you say? I can barely hear you, Matthew.
Um, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure exactly how it was supposed to, because last one we did last year was not really an application, so it wasn't supposed to be broken up into different like screens.
In the book, it says you can do it as a system, or you can use the use cases to make the sequence diagram.
Mhm.
But since we haven't updated our use cases yet, I think the system one works best for us right now until we update our use case diagrams.
Okay.
If she lets us know that we need to break it down, then we'll break it down.
Okay.
I keep using Alt scroll wheel to zoom because that's what Photoshop is, but it's not that in Visio.
Oh, that's full of
uh,
my one. I thought I cut that one off, but apparently not.
oh, this is the vehicle one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's for the homework. Yeah.
Right.
So we have sensitive message. Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't sure what to put for like the classes in there. For like the application, like what class it was in.
Mm. Yeah, Sabrina, yours is very specific, so which I like. I think we'll use Matthew's sequence diagram uh, for this sprint.
Okay.
Everyone has seen this, right?
Yes.
Okay. I did add the little
Yeah, I noticed.
activation lines. Communication diagram. This is really good. If everyone's seen this, then and they're okay with this, then we're good on this.
Good.
Yeah, I was trying my best to use it to make the behavior state machines, but I'm definitely not as well organized.
I mean, it honestly looks perfect to me. Show off.
Yeah, loser. What the heck? So this is perfect. Um, the let's see, let's go to crude matrix. The crude matrix. The only thing I saw, which I didn't notice until I went back into the book. I believe we need to add survey event discussion board calendar project across the top as well.
Is it? It is across the top as well. Scroll down.
The, oh. My bad.
Okay. Yeah. So I need to fix that though, because it shouldn't have done that.
I'm a dummy. I didn't even scroll down.
No, it should have all been. It was supposed to be landscape instead of portrait. So I'll have to fix that. I'll
Alright, well, never mind then. This is good then, as well. Did everyone see this?
I hadn't seen it before, but
No, I don't
looks
think I
good.
ever.
Yeah, me either.
Okay. Sent it over in Discord.
Okay, so I barely. No, I just had a brain fart. Hold on. Yeah, okay, so for the. Emily, can you scroll back up, down, wherever?
Oh, this one?
Right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so one of the things that I remember reading in the book was how there was an error with something that was created in the Krug matrix because it was never created. So we don't have to put like a student like creates a discussion board or a admin creates discussion board or vice versa for like the survey event or anything like that. Like those are supposed to be left blank.
Emily, just
Oh.
scroll down for me real quick.
Yeah, that's down here.
If I save that, it's easier to read.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
They create that. Because if you put it the other way, then that means the survey creates the student.
Yeah. Okay.
The PDF just got a little flip-flop.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this figured out and get it saved right. That way it's easier to read.
And then our last one is the variable state machines, which I'm just not looking at this, so.
Probably not the best, but I wasn't, I guess, sure how many we needed, so I tried to do one for each basic thing, like create a profile, create the survey. I'm sure your OCD is a little bothered by the lines being off, but I couldn't get them all to line up.
Yeah, let's not talk about the lines.
Or we can just redo it if it's completely wrong.
I don't know, honestly. I think we're supposed to do like. See, do I have the book open? I think I do. Show it real quick.
Should I be doing it instead, like for the student and then for the client?
Because we're only supposed to make a state machine for anything that could possibly change state. So, like an example, to have a patient that can change state. They're either, this is all their states that they could be in, admitted, released, or under observation.
Right, right.
So, I think like maybe an example for ours would be students. They're either a new user or an old user, and then based off of those states that they're in, if they're a new user, they need to create a profile. If they're an old user, they will be directed to the main menu automatically after logging in.
So that would be their only behavior change then, or their only state change?
That's
they're either new or old?
Yeah.
Okay.
I could be wrong. Does everyone agree with me on that, or am I thinking odd?
Would you do one for the survey as well? The survey is in the survey or not.
Matthew, I can barely hear you again, but I think you're talking about a survey.
Yeah. Do you need one for the survey? As in saying, if you've done the survey, if you haven't done the survey, then you need it.
Oh yeah, is the survey completed or not completed? Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I was trying to do, like to say the survey either existed before or it didn't. And then you'd have to verify the credentials for the student to complete the survey.
Yeah. So it'd be new survey, then survey created.
Like, your own, and then you can revise it. And I don't. I was trying to do what I could, I guess. So, should I just make new ones to change the state of the student from that new user to returning user or old user, and then the same for the client? And do we want to have the discussion and the survey change state as well?
Is a discussion? My bad. I thought someone was barging into my territory here. The is the discussion gonna change its state?
See, I don't think it does really. It's never ended unless the whole project
mean-
ends or something.
I guess
But it changes state from not existing to existing.
yeah, I see what you mean.
Or there's extra
And then
posts
as
to it.
people reply to it, yeah.
I would think
Help.
every reply would be considered a change discussion or a change state. And if
Yeah.
that's wrong, then she'll put a comment on there saying, no, don't do that, and we'll take it off.
Yeah. We do need to change send email to send direct messaging. Because we're trying to get rid of
Oh,
email
yeah.
from the whole system.
Gotcha. My fault.
So. I think this looks good. We just need to kind of modify it a bit.
Yeah,
whatever you need me to do.
Yeah, I don't think there's a reason to dump the whole thing. I think it's
Yeah, no. There's no
there.
reason to dump the whole thing. Just some little modifications. And we'll be good.
Happy little accidents.
Yeah, like Bob Ross. Exactly. We don't make mistakes, just happy little accidents.
I got it open here. I'm hoping it doesn't mess up the recording too much. I don't think it does since we're sharing.
We are all happy with what we have?
I think so.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
I'm good.
Okay.
So you want this to be direct message, right? Send direct message.
Right.
Yeah, for the email. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
If we're good with everything, then we can end the recording now.
Okay. Sounds good.